So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this kind of tomato cutting knife. I guess it could be used for bread if you wanted to. And this is from the company PAUDIN. PAUDIN, I think's how you would say that. And look at how it's presented. I've had knives from this company before, and they've been very well made, and I'm still using them today. Very high quality kind of knives out of these guys. And looking over the box here, comes very nicely presented, just like the other ones did. You got a little cover right there. It came, oh, this one actually comes with a sheath with the name on it, and you can see the overall box. I guess that's all in there. And this is kind of like some cleaning instructions and kind of maintenance and care and whatever. We don't need any of that, and a warranty card. Here's the actual sheath that comes with it. It has the brand name on it. It's got this little plastic sheath on there. So what this is a high carbon steel blade, and it's serrated. You can see razor sharp serrated edges on that. And so this will hold its edge very good, especially if you're just cutting tomatoes. And it's right at about 5 inches there, and I think 4.8 right here, and that is a nice looking wooden handle. That is solid wood. That is not imitation plastic, everybody. And it's got a full shank running all the way through there. So it's got a nice kind of balance feel. It is paper light. This thing doesn't weigh hardly anything. You could use this all day long with no problems. Let's put it in that sheath and see how it fits in there. Well, you know what? It fits in that sheath nicely. I won't be using that much, but it's nice that I have that. I do have a tomato here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some cuts on the tomato, claiming to be any type of perfect tomato cutting chef here. But let's just go ahead. I am just using the weight of the blade. And oh, wow, that is smooth. That is very smooth on that. Let's see. Let's get a nice cut right there. Having hamburgers today, so I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys my, my knife here. We got a thick tomato there. You know what, if you want to do some fried green tomatoes, I don't see any issues with that at all. I did a little lesser cut there. Actually, let's just cut this. Let me show you how it just cuts that. Look at that. That's slicing it up. You could dice. I wonder if you could dice. No, it's not really like a dicing. It's more like a slicing knife. Everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs a good variety of knives, whether it's cutting tomatoes, steak knife, or a bread knife. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the PAUDIN tomato knife, carbon steel, wooden handle tomato knife. See you all in the next video.